Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Plant Layout 360. Today we are going to discuss about how to model centrifugal pump by using primitive commands. Okay, first step what we have to do, we have to click place design equipment option. Click one. In this hierarchy we have to choose what type of equipment we are going to model. We are going to model one pump, right? So we have to select pump from this list. Choose any pump, select OK. After that we have to do create name of the pump, like any like centrifugal pump, or it's up to you. For us now I will put pump underscore 001. So this is the pump we are going to model, and then click OK. It will ask coordinates. Just coordinate means x, y, z values. So I will place coordinates anywhere by left click. Today it takes some time, so I don't know. Sorry for that. Okay. Now see, in our hierarchy, the pump underscore 001 was created. So now what we have to do? Go to task. Here you have to select equipment and furnishing option. But we are in that folder only. See here top equipment and furnishing. So now we have to select primitive option. So before going to primitive, click here and then select shape. By the shape command you have to create primitives. Okay, see here there is a one place rectangular solid 001. Long press here. Once you long press, the shape option automatically came. So first what we have to do, first we have to create pump casing, like I will show you by using this rectangular command. Just click here. It will ask choose an equipment, so, equipment component or solid to add shapes. So I will click here. This is the equipment. In this equipment we are going to create primitives. So I click this pump. See now shape properties option came. Here we have to select, for example, A, B, C. Here you see A means length, C means height, B means length of y direction. So here we have to select C. I will put 70 mm. B I will put 2500, or 2000 is enough. We can change afterwards. A I will put how much, like 800. Then click OK. See now the rectangular box came. Just place anywhere. Wherever you want, just click left of your mouse button and click arrow. So this is the pump casing. Here you have to model pump and we have to place in the center of the casing. Okay. So first what you have to do, you have to create casing. Second step, you have to create cylinder. For creating cylinder, you have to create this option, rectangle, RT circular cylinder. Sorry, click this one, and then click this rectangular shape, because we are going to place the cylinder on the pump casing. Okay, so we have to place this one. A means length of the cylinder. We will put around 600, diameter around 300, or you can put 400. Okay, now click OK. Now we have to rotate the cylinder. For rotate option, what you have to do, first put any ISO view, and then in your keyboard you have four keys: up, left, right, and then the down. You have to choose anything. For example, I am choosing a right arrow, so now it turned in towards right. Okay, first randomly I will place here. I will place here. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to check from plan view. Plan view means top view. Okay, so this is not in the exact alignment. We have to measure it from the center of the cylinder and the center of the box. So it's showing east 420. This option is for setting all coordinates 0 comma 0 comma 0. So just click this option, reposition target, and then select center. Okay, now see, all 0 0 0 we are set. So now we have to move the cylinder towards east side by using move command. Just click and go to here, put 420, click tab button. Once you click tab, the east coordinate will lock. See the lock symbol, and then north and elevation 0 0 we have to set. Again tab, tab, click enter, tab. Okay, now see, it came to the center of the box. Now we made cylinder. Okay, so if you want to move the cylinder towards north side, means same method you have to use. Just click the cylinder, click the move option, click here. Here we want to move the cylinder towards north side, so except north you have to lock east and elevation. Just move little bit wherever you want. I want this side, so I've just moved this one. Okay, now we are going to model one dish. So same shape option you have to do. Before going to model dish, you have to check the diameter of the cylinder, because we are going to match the diameter of the cylinder for the dish. Here the diameter of the cylinder is 400. Then we have to create one dish. Dish option, here you have to click semi elliptical head, and then select this shape. See, the dish came. The A is the diameter of the dish. Put 400. Here you can put around 250. Later we can change according to our convenience. Same thing you have to rotate. Same option. So I rotate towards north side, and just I am placing towards the center of the cylinder. Now it's placing, but the dish length is too much. So what we have to do, we have to reduce the dish length. Go to properties. Here the length is 250. I will put 150. Apply. Still we need to reduce 100. Yes, I think 80 is enough. Apply. Yes, now click OK. Always save your work. Like, click here, save option is there. You have to choose save. So now we created cylinder and dish. Now we are going to put one another cylinder for making here. Okay, technically, for example, technically we are saying this part is a motor. This is motor and this is pump casing. Okay, so now we are going to model rotating shaft. I'm saying rotating shaft. I will, the shaft would be in here, so I will select this one. For shaft we have to model like A it's around 800, B around 100 is enough. Just click here, same option, you have to rotate, select any view you want, then select center of the motor. After that you can check whether we can place correct or not. Yes, now it is correctly placing. I think still we are going to reduce the length of the pump. So just to click the shape option, go to properties. The length is 800, right? I will put 500. Yes, 500 is enough. Click OK. And then I will reduce the length of the case also. Pump casing. Go to properties option. The length should be 2000. I will put 1500. Here what happened? Left and right 250 mm would reduce. So I need to move the pump casing towards north side 250 mm. Click this one here. Just select move option. Click this one. Same option 250. Enter. Just drag. Yes, 250 mm we moved. Just save your work always. Again we have to create cylinder for impeller. Click cylinder option. Click this one. Means click the motor. Here we have to select B. It's around 400. After that we can reduce according to our pump size. Now we can randomly give 500. Click OK. You have to rotate this one. Place here. So we can move little bit north side. So same option. Click reposition target. Select center of the dish. Click here. Move command. Click here. Towards the north side we have to move. So I will lock east and elevation. Just move little bit towards 100 mm. Yes, fine. Now we have to reduce the diameter of the shaft because this is look like too lengthy. So Just go to modify option. The length should be 500, right? I will put to 150. Yes, I think this is enough because we are going to model nozzles for pump also, right? So I will put a 150. Click OK. Even still we can reduce the length of the pump casing. Just click, go to properties option. The length should be 1100. Click OK. Click this option, reposition target. Click the pump casing. Go to move option. Click here. Towards the north side we have to move. So I will lock east and elevation. Okay. I think this is enough. Just save. Now we are created pump casing and then pump motor, rotating shaft and impeller, and then we have to reduce the width of the pump casing. Just click the pump casing, same option you have to do. The width should be 800. Now I will put 600. 200 mm left side and right side will be reduced. Okay, then I will move the pump case towards east side 100 mm. First we will check whether this is in the center position or not. Just click the center. Here it's showing 317. Here it's showing 283. Go to calculate. 317 plus 283, 600 divided by 2, 300. So here we have to move this one towards west side 17 mm. Click this one. Select control option. You have to select all. Control option, control option, control option. Control, press control and then select this one. Everything we have to select. Move towards west side. We have to move 17 mm. Click here, lock minus 17 0 0. Now everything in the center of the casing. Now what we have to do, we have to place another box towards bottom of the motor and the bottom of the impeller. Okay, so same thing we have to create. Before that we have to check the value of width of the pump case, around 600 mm. Okay, so I have to click the shape, got it. Remove 800 and put 600. For B it's around we have to give 300. This one we can change afterwards. First I will place here because it should be matched in between pump case and the bottom of the casing. Before that we have to know the value of in between top of the casing and the bottom of the motor. That is around 1110 elevation. So this box height should be 1110. Now the box height is 60 something, sorry 70, so I will put 1110. Apply. Even I will put 120 also, extra 10 mm. Apply, click OK. Click OK, and then select this reposition target option. Select any point, then select this box. Move command, click the center of the box, lock east and north. Just drag your mouse towards downside of the casing. Click, because the casing should be placed on the box, right? That's why I need the model. And then we have to move the box towards center of the casing. Here 150. Yes. Sometime it take time to move. We have to wait for that. I think now it moved. Just check the pump is exactly placing. Okay, so now for this impeller we have to put one same box like this, so we don't need to create any box. I will copy the box and paste there. Click reposition target 000, we have to set. Click this box. Here there is a option, copy option. Click the copy option, select center of the box. Now the box is copied, and then we have to paste near under the pump impeller. So here paste option, near to that copy option, click the paste option. One dialog box open. Here we have to click OK. I'm randomly placed by value. I will move. We need to move north side, sorry south side, so I will lock elevation and east side. 0 lock. So I will move here. I will place. After that I will reduce the length of the box. Go to properties option. Here you have, this is the option you have to reduce. Sorry, this is 300, so I will put 200 and apply. It will reduce. Okay, we'll put 150, or you can put any 170 because it is little bit higher. Click apply. Okay, and then so now what we have to do, we have to increase the box length, means casing length. Okay, the shape of 1000 and I will put 1200. Apply. Okay. Yes. Save your work. Now we modeled the pump. And then what we have to do? We have to place suction and discharge nozzle of the pump. In this video, at last time, I will ask one question. Eh, please answer for that question. You just put comment for that video. Which is the correct answer? I will ask you the question at last. Okay. Here go to pipe nozzle. Click place nozzle option. Here it will ask choose nozzle parent. Here we have to put nozzle. So you have to select the equipment. The size of the nozzle I will put around 8 inch 8. So bottom it's inches and the length should be 200. Click OK. We have to rotate the nozzle. So the nozzle length is too big. First I will place the nozzle anywhere. After that I modify the nozzle and then I will place near top of the impeller. Click the nozzle, say modify option. I will put 2 inches. Apply. OK. Go to plan view. Measure the center of the nozzle and the center of the impeller. It's around 776 mm. We have to move the nozzle towards west side 776 mm. Click this one. Click move option. Click here. Minus 776 0 0 north and elevation. Okay, the nozzle comes center of the impeller. Change any view. Okay, so what I did, I will put undo option. First I will move the nozzle towards elevation top side because it will confuse. So say move option, click here. Except elevation, I will put 0 for east and the north. So I moved little bit towards elevation. Now I will put the nozzle towards west side. Okay, click the nozzle, move option, click here west side around, same command 776 value, move here. So now the nozzle is exactly on top. One nozzle we placed. Okay, we have to check this value also whether it is position center or not. Select the nozzle center, select the box center. The value 9 mm showing we have to move the nozzle towards south side 9 mm. Click here, click the nozzle, move option, click here. Yes, so you can copy the nozzle. Don't create always nozzle more than 2 times. Why? Because it taking too much time to model. So we can use easy method, copy paste method already. Because why I'm saying, we already created one nozzle. Okay, from that nozzle you can create other nozzle by using copy paste option. Click copy, select the nozzle you want to copy. Now paste option is here. Click the paste option. It asking, one second, sorry, I don't know why it's not copying. I will try once again. Mm, I don't know why it's not paste, so I will try other method. Go to hierarchy, right click, copy the nozzle, and then paste in the same. Okay, that method is not working, so I will create new nozzle. Sorry for that. I don't know why it's not working the paste option. Okay, same. Go to create nozzle, select the equipment or any primitive wherever you want to create nozzle. I will put 3 inches. Okay, here nozzle came. We have to rotate the nozzle towards this side. Okay, randomly I will place here. After that we can match center of the impeller. Just measure the distance and the height of the nozzle and the center of the casing. Height should be, it's showing 90 mm. We have to move downside. Option minus 90 mm. Will move downwards. Here we have to move a little bit towards west side. I will measure it. West side 80 mm. Minus 80, 0, 0. Yes, 80 mm. Okay. So we have to move the nozzle towards north side. Click the nozzle, move option. So this is the nozzle, then pump we created. This is the method you have to create the pump by using primitive option. Why I am saying, because in sometimes the standard pump is not available, means you have to model the pump by using pump GA drawing or pump mechanical data sheet. So you have to practice like this. I'm modeled centrifugal pump. If you have any mechanical data sheet available of the pump, you have to use the input for making centrifugal pump. Okay. Okay, finally I will ask you one question. If you know the exact answer, or if you know the answer means you have to put answer on comment section. Here I will place two nozzle. This is one nozzle, this is other nozzle. So here my question is, which is suction nozzle, which is discharge nozzle? If you know the answer, put in comment section. Again I will say you, which is suction nozzle, which is discharge nozzle. This is the today question. Fine. Okay. Thank you all. Please watch and do subscribe for our channel. If you like means just like, comment and share to your employees or your friends. It will very useful for beginners and experts also. Yeah, thank you all.